Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 17th, 2021. We're here to give you all the price prediction update in the market for Tattoo Chef. Yeah, it's been a while, so we felt like we'll come in and tell you all where we're expecting the price to go, all without being confused. We're not going to give you any hype, any FOMO, or even try to convince you of what the market is going to do. You know why? Because the trap has already done that for us. So only thing we really need to do is to come in and anticipate where the price is going to go, right? So if today's your first time ever viewing our content and you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're one of the only places that it's actually showing you where price is going to go right before it gets there. All right, so let's break this down real quick. You guys can see that the last time we did our price prediction in Tattoo Chef was back here on March the 25th. Playing the weakness in the market, and you guys can see that the market direction has been, for the most part, to the downside. And one reason why we wanted to come in and show you all what the market is anticipated to do in Tattoo Chef is take a look. We've seen the market actually come in and hold support on that ascending line, just like it did back here in November of 2020, right? This is literally where the trend is occurring into the market in Tattoo Chef. So we are at a very crucial point in the market in Tattoo Chef into understanding where the price is headed. We are at a decision point. Either the market is going to bounce off that line, or we're going to continue to see the market go lower. So let's see. You'll tell based off the different time frames that's in the market for Tattoo Chef, right? So let's first of all, let's go ahead and take this profit out the market in Tattoo Chef. I think we said on that video on March the 25th or the 26th, we'll TP the mark right there around $18, which literally came to pass on the 15th and the 16th of April. So 6% profitability. Congratulations to those who was able to catch that. Now let's take a look at this market on a different time frame real quick. Okay. So first things first. What is going on into the market in Tattoo Chef? Look at all this volume, and then take a look at this small spread right there. Okay, it took a lot of volume. So literally, someone came into the market and tried to either sell most of the Tattoo Chef, or they came in and purchased more Tattoo Chef on that very small spread. Okay, let's look at this again on a different time frame to see what's happening. You guys can see here on this current 5-day time frame that we are still seeing the market give us a little bit of strength, right? What about on the weekly? The volume definitely came through last week to conclude trading this week. We haven't seen this volume come in Tattoo Chef until maybe about 6 weeks ago when it had its earning, right? And the weakness still played out in Tattoo Chef. But the spread on this last completed weekly price bar is not extremely wide. So just as I told you earlier, either somebody came and bought a Tattoo Chef, or someone came and sold majority of their shares. What about the 3-week time frame? The 3-week time frame is still literally showing weakness, right? It is not extremely strong in the market in Tattoo Chef. The only thing I'm telling you is that some major institution really came in and purchased Tattoo Chef right there around $17. I mean, when you think about it, look how much decrease in value this stock has had since it ran up to all-time highs, right? So all-time highs came in around September 14th, the week of 2020, and we closed about 35%. We have seen a reduction in value about 35%, 40% right there. So now, are we ready to see the market try to see some movement higher in price? I mean, we really need to see Tattoo Chef give us at least some positivity. I mean, from the last three-week price bars, this market has just been getting walloped and getting hit with more selling and weakness. We need to see at least some indication that the market is trying to give us some positivity. All right. So let's take a look at this on an hourly time frame. because right here on the hourly time frame is where the actual swap is occurring. We're trying to see the market come in and prop itself up right there. And is it really convincing? I mean, you could play this, maybe hit $19 all the way back up towards 20. You know, that's about it. I'm not really too amped in the market just yet that Tattoo Chef is really in the market to come back up to around $26, $27. You know, you'll have to see that on these bigger time frames, right? You have to see that on the monthly time frame, and that is just not being revealed yet. Okay, it's just not here. So let's do this. Depending on your time preference, yes, I'll be the one to say that the market in Tattoo Chef is anticipated to try to go higher from here, right? But can it be sustained? Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It depends on how long you're going to be in this market for Tattoo Chef, because I won't be surprised to see the market try to come up here towards $20. Okay, which will be about 7.5% market movement, maybe even 21 if the overall market continues to switch and turns more bullish, right? But looking at this on a 3 weeks time frame still lets me know that there is a little bit of weakness here. Okay, still a little bit of weakness. So what we're going to do on this particular video is we're going to play the strength. Okay, but I'm trying to tell you, I'm giving you all a heads up that I am not that bullish into the market in Tattoo Chef, because actually I'm still seeing the market trying to come down here towards $16 and try to hold support, right? So that literally would tell us that the market is not going to hold this trend. If I would have seen volume the size of what happened right here in Tattoo Chef today or yesterday or Thursday or Friday, then yeah, I'll be a lot more convinced that the market's going to prop itself up there, right? So let's do this. I think I'm going to play this to the downside, right? But we'll have to let the market work itself out in the long term. Okay, so yeah, we can see the market come up towards $20, no doubt about it. But if we cannot break above $20, then this prediction that we are garnering is still in play. Okay, I'm still anticipating that the market is going to try to drop towards $17, which will be about 9.25% profitability from where we are at. And it might just happen on a very quick touch. You know, we might come down, give a very quick touch to the downside, and then the market close higher, you know. But we've broken a massive area of support / restriction at $20, which is why we're still going to play the weakness here. Okay, so this is it. This is what our expectations are in the market in Tattoo Chef. So now I want you all to tell me, what do you all expect to see in the market in Tattoo Chef? Drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, what do you all see? Questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.